Hi, I'm Alan. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Black Panther Party. What is the Black Panther Party? It's a party that started to patrol African American neighborhoods to protect residents from acts of police brutality. It was started in 1966 by two college students, Bobby Seale and Huey Newton. Back then, it was named the Black Panther Party for Self-Defense. They followed Maoism. And they also followed what they called was a 10-point program. It consisted of 10 things that they wanted and 10 things that they believed in. For example, one thing that they wanted is, we want freedom. We want power to determine the destiny of our black community. And one thing that they believed was that we believe that the black people will not be free until we are able to determine our own destiny. As you can see, they believed in black rights a lot. If you've watched a new movie named The Black Panther, it consists of a villain named Killmonger that wants to fight back against an oppressive government using the abundance of resources in a hidden and fake country called Wakanda, and arming African Americans with high technology weapons. A massacre of the white oppressors would then start. The protagonist is King T'Challa, or the Black Panther. He believes in helping the poor and remaining hidden. He helps other African Americans and believes not in vengeance but in peace. Those two put together represents the Black Panther Party of Self-Defense. The creator of the Black Panther, Stan Lee, created his character off of this party. They started off like King T'Challa. An example is that they provided free breakfast for youngsters that went hungry in the morning. However, they started to evolve into Killmonger. In 1967, the Black Panther Party for Self-Defense dropped the self-defense in their name. It became more violent, causing troubles and starting riots and killings. In fact, they got so violent that FBI Director J. Edgar Hoover famously declared, "The Black Panther Party without question represents the single greatest threat to the internal security of the country." But now let's answer the question, how did the Black Panther Party advocate for equality, and to what extent was it successful? While many people believe that the Black Panther Party's violent actions make it a terrorist organization comprised of only hatred towards all whites, the Black Panther Party advocated more for equality than for black rule. They had many benevolent activities, such as offering free breakfast for starving children, and all their violent uprisings were justified, as many were reactions to far greater atrocities committed by the Ku Klux Klan, who are white supremacists, making the Black Panther Party one of the main cogs that turned the gears of the civil rights movement. Dictionary.com defines terrorism as the unlawful use of violence and intimidation, especially against civilians, in the pursuit of political aims. The Black Panther Party was described as a terrorist organization. While they did use violence to push political views, they did so only in response to the atrocities that the KKK committed. Therefore, even though they were quite violent, they were not violent without reason. Whether it was pre-1966 or post-1967, whether it was pre-1967 or post-1967, the Black Panther Party definitely advocated for equality. Looking at the Black Panther Party for Self-Defense, one of the key ways it advocated for equality was through free breakfast for children in need. By helping those in need, it advocated for equality. This is extremely successful and carried on even after the Black Panther dropped the self-defense from its title. This differed from other movements at the time, such as the Universal Negro Improvement Association and the Nation of Islam, because both groups decided that all whites were oppressors. However, the Black Panther Party separated the whites into good whites and bad whites. Their claim to fame was when, in May 1967, Bobby Seale, one of the founders, and a small group of individuals marched fully armed into the California state legislature. These violent behaviors greatly threatened the security of the nation and made presidents actually realize that this was an issue that needs addressing. The Black Panther Party made many presidents, such as Kennedy, push for equal rights. This definitely helped the cause of the nation's fight to equality. And while the Black Panther Party would partake in violent murder, it was normally justified. Their rival party, the Ku Klux Klan, committed atrocities the Black Panther Party had to use violence to respond to. For example, 3 Ku Klux Klan members dragged 49-year-old African-American James Byrd behind a truck for many miles, killing him in the most painful way. The Black Panther Party's response was appropriate, responding with the murder of a police officer. In addition to fighting fire with fire, they also helped many black people. According to Britannica, in addition to challenging police brutality, the Black Panther Party launched more than 35 survival programs and provided community help such as education, tuberculosis testing, legal aid, transportation assistance, ambulance service, and the manufacture and distribution of free shoes to poor people. One particular note was a free breakfast for children program, begun in January 1969, that spread to every major American city with a Black Panther chapter. As you can see, the Black Panther Party also helped the poor and unprivileged. This definitely helped advocate for equality at a large scale. All in all, the Black Panther advocated for equality as its main goal. Their side goal was very much like the Killmonger goal, to eradicate all racists. However, its goal for equality was achieved, and clearly, the Black Panther Party played a big part in it.